What's up guys, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video I am going to show you how to fix wrong CBS affiliate on Android TV or CBS.com, so make sure to stay until the end of the video. But before we move on, it would mean a lot if you subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell on. So basically there are a couple of things that can happen. So if you're receiving the wrong CBS station and you're streaming live TV with Android on your computer, unfortunately the CBS team cannot access location services to correct the issue internally. What you can do is, for Android TV, go to android.com/tv and click on your device for support, and on computer contact your device manufacturer for support. So this is the bland answer, but the more deep one, and to give you some more options, I'm going to give you a couple of steps to help you through it. For Android TV, clear cache and data, of course, going through the settings, selecting apps or application manager. Find the settings for the CBS app, choose clear cache or clear data depending on device. Of course, check if your CBS app is up to date. I already done a video for it, so make sure to check it out. And of course, if you're using VPN or proxy for some reason, make sure to disable it. If you're going through the CBS.com, again, you can clear the browser cache, trying a different browser. I done a video on which browsers are supported for CBS, so make sure to check it out. And of course, if you're using a browser, contact CBS support. And overall, also for the app, Android TV, if you're having issues, contact CBS support. Maybe they can help you out. So guys, overall, that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in our future tutorials. Goodbye.